Ever wondered how long your trusty tools have been around? Like that hammer you swear by? Or maybe that old screwdriver that's seen more jobs than a seasoned contractor? Well, today we're tackling a similar question, but with a digital twist. We're diving into the age-old question, pun intended, how old is Housecall Pro? Now, you might be thinking, why does this matter? Fair question. Understanding a software's age can offer some interesting insights. It tells a story of evolution, adaptation, and the challenges overcome. Think of it like the wrinkles on a wise old sage. They signify experience, lessons learned, and a certain level of wisdom. So, let's rewind the clock. Picture this. The year is 2013. Smartphones are still relatively new, and the world is just starting to grasp the potential of cloud-based solutions. In this digital dawn, Housecall Pro was born. That's right, it's a relatively young player in the grand scheme of software. But don't let its age fool you. In the fast-paced world of technology, a decade is like a lifetime. And Housecall Pro has certainly made the most of its time. It's grown from a small startup with a big dream to a robust platform trusted by thousands of home service professionals. Now, you might be wondering what sets Housecall Pro apart from the countless other software options out there. Well, it's a combination of factors. First, there's the focus on the unique needs of home service businesses. Housecall Pro wasn't designed as a generic business management tool and then retrofitted for the industry. It was built from the ground up with plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and other home service pros in mind. Second, there's the emphasis on innovation. Housecall Pro hasn't rested on its laurels. It's consistently introduced new features and improvements to stay ahead of the curve and meet the evolving demands of the industry. From streamlined scheduling to efficient invoicing and seamless customer communication, Housecall Pro has it covered. But it's not just about the features. It's about the impact. Think about the countless hours saved by technicians who no longer have to juggle paperwork. Imagine the increased efficiency and customer satisfaction resulting from better job management. Housecall Pro isn't just software. It's a tool that empowers home service professionals to thrive. So, while Housecall Pro might be relatively young compared to some industry giants, it's packed with experience, innovation, and a deep understanding of the home service sector. It's a platform that has grown alongside the industry, adapting to challenges and seizing opportunities. And that, my friends, is why the age of Housecall Pro matters. It's a testament to its ability to evolve, learn, and deliver value. It's a story of a young software with a bright future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.